Today in Social Studies, you're on Lesson 2, Section 1. So in your TCI, when you go into Clever, Lesson 2 is right here, and then make sure that it says Section 1, page 20 and 21.
Good afternoon, class. It's time for Tuesday Social Studies. We've already learned that the United States is a country in the continent of North America. The United States has 50 states. Today, you will learn in Lesson 2, Section 1, how each state has communities in it. What's a community? Well, class, a community is the name of the town or city where you live. What's the name of our community? Milwaukee. Please open up your Tuesday folders and you will see a worksheet that looks like this. You can press pause while you find that sheet and we will get started. Okay, class, you guys should all have the sheet that's labeled Tuesday. It says the 50 states in Section 2 mapping the United States. Then follow these directions. Label the compass rose, label the map key, label the scale, find your state on the map, and outline it. Find your community in the state. Draw a dot for your community. Okay, so we're going to do it together. Make sure you put your name at the top of the paper. So the first thing we're going to do is label the compass rose. What is a compass rose? We kind of went over it, but not specifically. A compass rose it tells the main four directions. So north, south, east, and west. So if we go down and we're all doing it together, this arrow over here where you can see, let me move my paper up for you. North, south, east, and west, you would label this compass rose. Now we're going to label the map key. If we label the map key, we'll go down to the bottom. A map key is just a feature that explains the symbols on a map. So right here, we'll put map key. So once we labeled the compass rose, we labeled the map key. Now let's label the scale. The scale is a feature used to figure out the distance on a map. So we'll label this the scale. The next thing it says, find your state on the map and outline it. I'm going to take a highlighter or a pencil or something of that sort, something dark, and I'm going to highlight, we live in Wisconsin. So I'm going to highlight it in purple so it's clear. Once you outline your state, next we're going to find your community in your state. So we're going to find our community. We already discovered that that's the city or town. So our city is Milwaukee. I'm going to label it right there. It says draw a dot for your community. So the dot represents Milwaukee, which is our city. Once you've done that, you've done all the steps we need in our Section 1 assignment. Make sure you put your name on it and put it back into your Tuesday folder. Thank you. You have a great afternoon.